The Meehan Hartley Leadership Award for Public Service and Advocacy is given in recognition of individuals who have significantly advanced the field of eating disorders through their impact on public policy, government advocacy, or service to the community. The 2021 AED Meehan Hartley Leadership Award will be presented by Una Danner.
It is my great pleasure to present the Meehan Hartley Leadership Award for Public Service and Advocacy to Scarlet, Hemkes and Eric van Furth for initiating the online community Proud2BMe. It was established in 2009 as a response to and fight against the pro-eating disorder websites. Both Scarlet and Eric were already working on a different initiative when they decided to join forces and start together the pro-health community Proud2BMe. Since its establishment, there has been an unchanged enthusiasm, and it clearly meets a need. As the website mentions, there are 200,000 unique visitors each month, which is a lot if you consider that it is in Dutch. So why is this community so popular and well visited? Each day for 365 days a year, at least one new blog or interview is posted, and every evening between 7 and 9, a chat is held. All people struggling with their self-image, eating, or related problems are able to contact those suffering from similar problems and to get support from those with lived experience and professionals. A lot of the work is done by volunteers, but a small group is paid by the Vierduinen Eating Disorder Ursula and by funding. Therefore, a lot of work must always be done to ensure that there's enough money to continue the community. Proud2BMe currently employs 6 editorial staff, 2 psychologists, 2 dietitians, and about 20 volunteers who make sure the community continues to do its work and help those who need it the most. So congratulations to you, Scarlet and Eric. And I strongly believe that this award is very well deserved, and I hope the community will continue for years to come.
Thank you, Una, for presenting this prestigious award to Scarlet, Hemkes, and myself. We feel very honored that the Board of Directors of the Academy for Eating Disorders has gracefully honored us with this award. There is nothing more valuable than being rewarded by your peers in this field. Scarlet.
Yes, thank you very much for this special award. To be honest, when I got the email, I thought it was spam because I never imagined I would be able to get such a special award. After working for Proud2BMe for almost 12 years, I think this is a wonderful conclusion and an honor to receive. I've put a lot of love, emotions, and hours in the creation and development of Proud2BMe, and has received hundreds of messages in recent years from young people and adults who were grateful for the platform, and partly because of this have sought help and have recovered. And that is something I can hardly comprehend to this day. Well, many people with eating disorders will recognize the fear of not being good enough and the constant urge to prove yourself. Well, although I have lost a lot due to my eating disorder, I have also gained and achieved a lot due to these characteristics, and I am proud of that. At the same time, I could never have done this alone. Within mental health care, there are only a small number of people who have the guts to walk an unfamiliar path and follow their heart instead of following the protocols. And that's what Eric van Furth did 12 years ago. And that is why our collaboration worked, and Proud2BMe managed to see the light in 2009 and is still a concept to be very proud of.
I would like to thank a couple of people. I would like to thank our initial sponsors, which were C Business, which is a health insurance company, actually, and the Scanfonds. I would also like to thank my employer, GGZ Vierduinen Eating Disorders Ursula, for their continued support of Proud2BMe. I would like to thank the volunteers and the webmasters, the team that have been, there have been hundreds perhaps of volunteers now involved in Proud2BMe over the many years. Every evening, be it Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, every time, anytime, there is always a possibility to chat, which I think is really, I'm really proud of that. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, I am very, very proud and very pleased to have been working with Scarlet. Without her inspiration and her perseverance, Proud2BMe could not have existed. And it is because of her that Proud2BMe has become the huge success that it is. The power of Proud2BMe is, it is a community, an e-community, by far the largest mental health community within the Netherlands, that is powered by people with a lived experience for people with a lived experience, with professionals as backups and as consultants. And it is because of Scarlet's vision that Proud2BMe exists. So we very much thank the Academy and the board for this award, and do indeed hope that this the Proud2BMe inspires others to set up similar platforms and focus their attention on early detection of eating disorders. Thank you very much.